I'm Dr. Loeb. I've been in practice for 35 years. And now I've decided to create the Self-Healing Institute and show people the secrets of acupuncture, acupressure, so they can treat themselves and they don't have to go to the doctor and they can get good results. Okay? Now we're here tonight with Michelle, and we're going to actually do the Cosmetic Acupressure Facial Rejuvenation treatment. And we're going to show you how to do this, and then you can follow the charts that we have available, and we can use this little instrument. This is a Chinese electrical stimulator, and it treats the points, finds the points, treats the point with real low hertz electrical. You feel a little bit, but it doesn't hurt. Okay? All right, well, let's get started. You want to just lay down, Michelle? Okay. All right, now this first point is a point to lift the eyebrows. And it's active. Now we're going to go ahead and treat. You okay? It doesn't hurt or anything?
No.
All right. And then we'll treat this point for 15 seconds, and then we'll go do the one on the opposite side. Okay? Let's be trying to do. There it is. And we'll just treat this. Any pain involved at all?
Nope.
Good, good. Now, this is a great treatment. Matter of fact, this treatment was featured yesterday on the Kelly Rippon show. But they were doing needles. This is much better. All right, now here's a point that we treat for the crow's feet. Those are the little lines that run out on the side of the eyes. Michelle actually doesn't have any crow's feet yet, but we'll treat them and it'll keep you from getting them. How's that?
Sound good.
Okay. And here's the second point for the crow's feet. And we got a point up here that causes a little wrinkle when you frown. So, and it was active, so we'll treat it. But the fact is that you can follow our simple instructions and use this instrument and give yourself the acupressure facelift without going to the doctor and spending about $5,000. And you get to do it every day, even maybe 2 or 3 times a day, so it works even better. And we don't have to stick a bunch of needles in your face.
Sound good.
Yeah. That was real active. You're going to like this treatment. I recommend that people that don't even have any wrinkles, like Michelle, do this. It'll prevent you from getting wrinkles later in life. I actually pioneered this treatment with Dr. Richard Yenny here in Kansas City in 1978. Dr. Yenny was the first doctor to do acupuncture in the United States. He was actually injured in a judo match in Tokyo when he was there in the war trial crimes. He was a translator for the United States Army. And he got hurt, and they carried him off the mat, kind of like in the movie The Karate Kid. And they took him in the back and gave him some acupuncture, and he came back and actually won the judo tournament. So he got very interested in acupuncture. And when I went to work for him in 1978, a doctor in Paris had come up with this facial treatment. So we decided to teach it all over the country to a lot of doctors. And a big doctor in California actually put up billboards. And back in those days, we were doing this treatment with a laser. plastic surgeons got all mad. All right, now we're starting the laugh line treatment. Plastic surgeons got all mad and actually got a hold of the FDA, and the FDA came down on the laser, not the treatment, but the laser to do the treatment with, because they found out that it was only approved to experimental purposes, so you couldn't actually charge the patient for doing the treatment. So the treatment just kind of got put back in the closet for a few years, and now it's real popular again. All the movie stars are getting this done. Sandra Bullock's got it in her contract. She gets it done 3 times a day on the set, and the movie producers have to pay for her acupuncture treatments. Okay. Now here's the other point. This point is just a little bit lateral to the nostril. And it's on what we call the stomach channel in acupuncture. And there's 3 points here that we treat during the facial. And what this does is it tightens up the muscles so the wrinkles go away. That's active. So there's relatively no pain involved, is there, Michelle?
No, not at all.
And you wouldn't have a problem with standing in front of a mirror with a chart that shows these points and treating yourself, would you?
No, it would make it very easy.
Wouldn't it be easy?
Mm-hmm.
Great. And that's the last point. Okay, and there you have the Self-Healing Institute acupressure facial treatment that you can do at home. All you need to do is get our chart and stand in front of the mirror and download our book and read our book, which explains how to do this, and then just treat yourself. Okay, thank you very much.